Now we will start drawing our slab boundary. Yep. Go to one story and be ground floor and go to slab and we choose the slab as 12 from here. Click from here and down here. Yep. Okay. Now we are going to extend the slab edge to the edge of the column. To do that, now I will go to display option. I hide beam. Okay, and select edge of slab. Go to edit shell, expand and shrink. Remember, if we want to expand, we should enter the positive value. If we shrink down, this is be minus. So the center of column from here to here should be 250 millimeter. And apply. Yep. Okay. And now we the same thing for the slab. I see for the level 2 level 1 to level 2 is the same boundary and also the same slab. So I will replicate the slab from level ground floor to level 1 and level 2. Okay, you can see in the 3D. Yep. So, but you can see from the result, this extend of slab should be extend 1860, and also the same thing this way and same thing this way. Okay, never mind. Go to Etabs. We go to level 3. Okay, I will choose the similar story. Now the same thing. Start from here. Apply, and you can see now I will extend this slab edge from here to here. So from here to here should be 1860 and the same thing, the same size. Sorry, from here to here we to edit string 1860 millimeter. Apply. Yeah, and the same thing here 1600. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, and we can see all the same story created. Okay, now we work on level 11. Plan level 11. Okay, we do the same. Modify here. We can take shortcut from here. Should be 1860 from here to here. 1600. Okay, Okay. Let's see. Yep. So go to now I will clean up this grid line to extend from here, and also this grid line to extend from here to make it look beautiful. Okay, go to edit, edit story and grid, modify. So sorry, can take from here. Yeah. So coordinate. Now we use the coordinates. Display grid data as coordinate. So from here, I will create a point 1 from this point to this point. So the distance from here to here about 1060 the minus. So I will add 1 should be grid line. Sorry, undo. Sorry. Okay, modify. Now I'm work on y. I add 1. It should be a point 1. Coordination minus 1 0.86 and add this will be G1. G.1 should be elevation from here to here. You can see start from G 20.76. So 20.76 I plus 1.86 speed 22.62. 22.62. And the same thing, grid line 1 from here I add 1.1 should be minus 1.6 and add another 5.1 15. So I will take 15 plus 1.6 here, 16.6, 1.6 from here. Okay, should be 16.6. 16.6. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Grid line. Yeah. Okay. So the same again. We add bubble from here. Edit, display. I will bubble on both sides. So bubble on both sides, and the same thing, bubble on both sides. And bubble size I reduce to 1000. Okay, and okay, yeah, I can save